Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're going to talk about a simple yet essential word, belt. A belt is a noun, and it refers to a strap for the waist, often used to hold up trousers or as a fashion accessory. In everyday language, we use the word belt not only to describe an item of clothing, but also in other contexts. For example, you might hear someone say, "He tightened his belt before starting his work," or, "This belt really ties the outfit together." It's a practical item that serves both functional and decorative purposes. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for belt. Words like strap, girdle, and sash can sometimes be used depending on the situation. For example, she adjusted the strap of her backpack, or the traditional dress came with a colorful sash around the waist. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms. While there isn't a direct opposite for belt, you might consider words like looseness or even phrases like without restraint when referring to the absence of a belt or its function. For instance, his trousers were loose because he didn't wear a belt. In daily life, belt finds its way into common expressions too. You've probably heard phrases like tighten your belt, which means to save money or reduce expenses. Another example could be below the belt, meaning something unfair or hurtful. Let me share a few examples of how you can use belt in sentences. I bought a new leather belt at the store yesterday. She tied her dress with a silk belt to complete the look. His old belt was too worn out to use anymore. To sum up, today we learned that a belt is a strap for the waist, often used for practical or decorative reasons. We also explored some synonyms like strap and sash, as well as phrases like tighten your belt. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about today's word, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your own sentence using the word belt in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of words.